Deadly cough syrup. Now one more child has tragically passed away. This has taken the death toll to 14 across Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Meanwhile, the Health Ministry has maintained that the samples contain harmful chemicals. Bihar polls. The Chief Election Commissioner's presser will take place today. Women's World Cup ODI 2025. No India and Pakistan clash to take place today. Russia drone strike on Ukraine train station kills 30. Zelensky calls the strikes savage.